Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A34 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can increase or decrease ringtone volume and other volumes in your phone Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and then go to sounds and vibration, and here select volume, and here we will have ringtone volume and other volumes like media, notification system. Okay, if you want to increase volume, ringtone volume, just move this cursor to the right side. Okay, if you move to the right side, volume will be increased. See here. If you want to decrease the volume, you have to move to the left side. See here. Okay, in the similar way, for media, you can increase if you move to the right side. If you move to the left side, it will decrease. Okay, in a similar way for notifications also, you can use maximum or minimum or in between at any point. Okay, this is system sound. Okay, some settings sounds are available. For that, you can use maximum level or minimum level or intermediate level or at any level that you want. Okay, alternatively, for adjusting, for increasing or decreasing ringtone volume and other volume, you have to use volume keys. Okay, these two are the volume keys. If you press if you press up, then this is volume up button. Okay, if you press down, this is volume down button. Okay, you can press any one. Okay, if you press down, it's show. If you press up, it's also show. Okay, so if you once press, it will take effect. Okay, see here. So here, if you press, only medium volume is showing. Okay, you can increase or decrease like this. But for other volumes, ringtone volume and other volumes, you have to press these three dots. Okay, see here. Press the volume up or down key and click on this three horizontal dot, and you will see all other volumes. Okay, see here. Yes, this is system volume. Okay, you can move up for increasing. If you move down, it will decrease. This is notifications. Okay, notification sounds. This is ringtone. Okay, ringtone sound, ringtone volume. This is media volume. Okay, so in this way also you can increase or decrease ringtone volume and other volume in your phone Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.